Hey guys, in this video I just want to share this. I bought this DOBE charging for a controller. So usually what I do is I will be putting this rechargeable batteries here. So every time, right, I will take out and so this I will recharge it and I will place it again. So instead of putting into that, so I just bought this new DOBE battery charging kit for Xbox One controller. So this is very cool. You can charging through USB or you can put it with the current with the adapter. So I'm just gonna chew this here. See, this is 5 watts, so we can't do that. I'm going to take it out because when I play Rocket League game and all, it's getting drained easily. Wow, it's super cool, super bright. So 2 batteries is very lightweight, and this is the USB port. So you can charge through your Xbox One console itself. Actually, this one I have 5 watt adapter, so I'm just going to use this. I'm going to place this first now. So here the power bright, so I'm just putting it. Yes, it's a perfect fit actually. Okay, it's cool. I'm gonna turn it on. Wow, it's switching on. So it's good, cool. So wait for this. Wow, cool. So this one I'm gonna just on this. Wow, both have full charges, so I don't need this every time. I'm gonna take it out. So I took it out. And they have given this power cable, right? So for charging I need to put this. So yes, it's fit. Going to insert this in my Xbox One console. So here you can charge through this Xbox One console. So, and if you don't want, you can use this. You can use through 5 watt adapter. So I'm just going to insert this. So insert it. It's cool. You can see this light if it is charging. Super cool, right? That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye.